Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows Server 2016 or newer, Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, and WDS in place so MDT can integrate. Install Windows ADK and the matching ADK components for deployment tools. This ensures driver and image compatibility. Next, install MDT and create a deployment share. Do this now so you have a controlled workspace. Once done, import your OS WIM into the share and add Windows drivers. This step prepares the file. You now build and capture a reference image. Use a clean VM, install updates and apps, then run MDT's sysprep and capture task sequence to produce a consolidated WIM. This minimizes future troubleshooting. Create task sequences for standard client deployments, servers, and capture tasks so each workflow is repeatable. Make sure to configure custom settings. Ini and Bootstrap. Ini to automate prompts and network boot behavior. This is why deployments become predictable and hands-free once these rules are tuned. You finish by updating the deployment share to produce new boot images and then import those into WDS or create a bootable ISO. PXE boot a test client and run the target task sequence. Validate drivers, domain join, and application installs so production runs smoothly. If things go wrong, check BDD. Log on the MDT server and SMSDS. Log in the client Win PE session to find automation errors and driver failures. Fixing those logs quickly resolves the majority of deployment issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.